Hello dear traders and investors. Today in this video we're gonna analyze such ETF as QQQ, also known as QQQ. Current price is $267.51. And what is it about? QQQ tracks a modified market cap weighted index of 100 Nasdaq listed stocks. So, QQQ is one of the best established and typically one of the most actively traded ETFs in the world. Often referred to as the triple Qs, it's also one of the most unusual. The product is one of the few ETFs structured as a unit investment trust. Per the rules of its index, the fund only invests in non-financial stocks listed on Nasdaq. Also, the fund and index are rebalanced quarterly and reconstituted annually. On the website etf.com/QQQ, we can find some information regarding who is the issuer, assets under management, and other useful notificators like issue is Invesco, inception date is October 99, March 1999, and currently assets under management is about 130 billion dollars. So at this website you can find a lot of useful information, but regarding the chart and the future growth or decrease, we should orientate in the trading platform. And as you can see, the top sectors of this ETF is technology, 64 or 63.5%, and the top 10 holdings. So it consists of Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Facebook, Tesla, Alphabet, Class A and Class C, Nvidia, Adobe, Intel Corporation, and other stocks of the index Nasdaq 100. So on this chart, which is weekly, we can see that the price have been growing up since the crisis 2008, and since 2008 it gave around 1000%. So simply saying, if you have invested your $100 in 2008, you would have now $1000. So it's a good investment for conservative investors, isn't it? And as you can see, for the last time, the coronavirus situation make all assets to decrease. As you can see, QQQ wasn't an exception, and the price decreased from 236 to 166, and it lost approximately 30%. And after approximately the end of March 2020 till the current time, it has gave us about 65%. It's also a very useful instrument for active traders who trade intraday, for speculators, and at the same time, as I show you the long chart, it's also useful for long-term investors. And as you can see, performance approximately it gives you 20% of return per year. So, simply saying, in simple words, in the long term, this assets have all chances to continue growing up. In the short term, we can see the indicator RSI also located on 4-hour chart in the end, so we can see a little correction. The price can grow up approximately to the level 280, and after that, if the price will break through this level, we can see the continuing growing up. But for now, if you are an active trader and use all your assets for day trading, for speculators, I would rather recommend you to be careful with your trades. Nowadays, there is a lot of potential for assets for Nasdaq 100 for technology sector, and at the same time, it can tell us about some bubble which is now growing up on the market. But anyway, all companies which are included in this asset QQQ are reliable and have all chances to grow, to raise the revenue and other financial indicators. Thanks for your attention. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comments to this video.